right. Generally, they're not pinned in too hard. Now remember, this is just plastic. Got them apart. Kind of carefully remove the cover. Set that aside. All right, so we need to get clearly under all of this assembly, right, to the bottom end of the board. Right. Looks to me like it's just pinned down centrally. So we will unplug that board, the COM board. Oops. Alright. And then we need to remove the 3 posts that are holding it down. Handy little adjustable wrench. So now we've got the post undone, and then we just need to undo the video slots. So I think if you've gotten this far, you understand this is a kind of tedious little process, right? You just don't want to push or pull anything too hard. All right. And then the assembly should just come right up out like that. Spec for done. dust, damage, etc. Set it aside. Now we remove the lower mounting plate for the control board to expose the LCD screen and digitizer. And so it's a deep dive. It's a deep dive. Right. Inspect for burns, anything like that. Right. Then, as you can see, you've got centering guides right here that hold the screen in place and on center. Most of them you can just loosen them. But others, no, they come all the way out. Put these units in here in a little squeeze tray. You don't want to work it too hard and break the display. Same idea. Inspect the screen for damage of any kind. Nope. We set it aside. So now we've gotten down to the bare bones of the display here, the part we want to replace. Right. So it's back to the application of heat. We'll apply heat around the edges and slowly pry up. Now at this point, you know, it is glass, so it may break, but it's easy enough to carefully get it removed, even in pieces, if need be. A lot of times these do come to me for repair with the digitizer already shattered, so pardon me, it's a little cleanup work to do, so to speak, with respect to getting little bits of glass shard and everything else. So this is the hard part, I guess, to say. The rest is just simple disassembly. All right.